Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to yet another chat interface with Olama. Olama is one of the easiest and simplest tool to run large language models locally, and this new tool, RetroChat, makes it more colorful in the terminal to chat with Olama based models. The good thing about this retro chat is that not only it is retro, it gives you a retro feel and look, but also it is equally compatible with various other model providers such as Anthropic's Claude, OpenAI GPT. Plus, you can save and resume your conversations across sessions. You can create, rename, delete, and switch between multiple chat sessions. And Olama is a first class citizen, but you can also fine tune AI behavior with adjustable parameters, and that feature is only available with Olama at the moment. Also, it gives you uh, another cool feature of editing entire conversation history by using preferred text editor, and I will also show you. You can even fool the large language models with it. It also enables you to set global system messages to guide AI behavior across all chats. And then you can have multi-line inputs, so you can even enter complex queries or code snippets with ease. You can control various aspects of the chat and application with just slash prefix command like slash set, and that is the case with all the terminal user interfaces, by the way. Installation is quite easy, and then you can have system wide access. You can install it on Windows, Linux, or wherever you like. It is simply a Python program and nothing else, but you would need Python 3.7 or higher for it. Okay, enough chat. Let me take you to my terminal now and we will get it installed. We will be using it with Olama. So make sure that you have Olama installed. If you don't know how to install Olama, please search my channel. I already have done heaps of videos on Olama, but just to give you a quick overview, for example, I will be using Linux. Go to Olama's website, click on Linux, and then simply grab this command and run it on your local system, and that is it. You will have Olama running easily on your local system. Okay, so that said and done, now before I show you the installation, let me give a huge shout out to Mass Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs. So do check them out. Okay, so time to take you to my local system where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04 and I have one GPU card of 48 GB of VRAM. Let me clear the screen. Also, I will be using a virtual environment created by Coda, so not mandatory, but I would highly suggest that you also create it. So let me create a virtual environment for this retro chat. And I'm creating this environment with 3.11 Python version. Let's wait for it to get created and activated. That is done. It is also activated as you can see in the parentheses. Let me clear the screen and let me now git clone this retro chat repo, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. Let's wait for it. It's not that big. That is all done. Let's cd into that directory. Let's clear the screen, and then these are the contents of these directories. So first thing you need to do is to install all the requirements with pip. So let me run this requirement.txt, and it is going to install few things here. It's not that many. That is all done. Hopefully it has installed OpenAI too. Okay, so let me clear the screen here. Now, um, first thing, let me show you that my Olama is running. So these are the Olama models I already have downloaded after installation. If you don't have them, simply run Olama full and model name like Mistral, Llama 3 or whatever you like. So I already have Olama running on my default IP and default port, so it should be all good. Now, in order to run this retro chat, all you need to do is to run this Python script, Python 3 retro chat.py, and there you go. So it is asking you that welcome to retro chat setup. So it is going to, so when you say yes here, it is going to create a retro chat folder in this home directory. It is going to copy the retro chat script to that dot retro chat folder, and then it is also going to create a rchat.bat, and then it is going to add it to the system path. So let me say yes here. Now it is saying which mode I want. I just want to go with Ollama, so select one. Okay, it says it is unable to connect to Ollama, which is interesting. So sometimes it happens because maybe I would just need to run this source bash rc to get it effect. So for that I'm just going to press exit here. Okay, so it is saying Ollama IP, it is already there. Let me press again 11434. That is strange. Okay, so because I had pressed Control C here, so let me clear the screen and let me source my shell here. So I have sourced my shell here. Let me rerun that. So now as soon as I have run it, it was able to automatically detect Ollama. So I selected one, and now it is giving my models here, that which model I want to select. Maybe I'll just go with Mistral and then click one here. It says no chat history, that is fine. I'll say hello, how are you? It is saying that I don't have a feeling. Okay, so this is what I was talking. You can even select that edit here, and then you can just select a assistant response. You can say maybe you will just delete it, whatever model set. Let's wait for it. Or are you out of your mind? How would I know? Who are you? And then you can simply save it by writing it out by this sign and capital O. It's a nano editor, I think. So I have edited the response of the model here, and now let me ask model, what so this is me now. Why are you why are you being so rude? Let's see what model does. Okay. So you see, so I was able to fool the model. I edited the chat history. Apologies for the unexpected response earlier. I'm just a computer program and don't have feeling or conscious. I'm here to help. So you can edit it again, and or let's not do it. So also if you want to set any hyperparameters, you can just click set here, and then you can give the parameter name and then set that hyperparameter for randomness of response, or control the output with top p top k. You can even set the context length. You can give the stop token or system prompt and some things like that. So all in all, really like it. And then you can also chat with the prompt there in order to exit. Simply type exit, and yeah, how do I exit? That's it. Okay, there you go. So very interesting tool, and really like the way these colorful retro feel it oozes out. I will drop the link to this tool in video's description. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.